Hello guys, welcome to today's Japan coronavirus update. Right now, last updated at 2 o'clock p.m. Japan time, we have 1,389 cases. So in the past 48 hours or so, we have seen an increase of confirmed cases that we haven't observed until this point. That's alarming in my opinion because it shows that the measures currently being taken haven't been adequate enough. With a long range of incubation periods, the scientific consensus is somewhere between 2 to 14 days. The effects of the virus that we're seeing could be having a lag behind the actuality of the situation. Many countries, like in Spain and Italy, they were seeing a stagnant growth in the beginning stages of the epidemic, and then they quickly shot up after that lag period was over. Tensions are rising in Tokyo, where in that area they've seen an explosion of cases for the past 2 days, to the point where NHK here suggests a lockdown could be underway. Authorities in Tokyo reported a record spike in the number of coronavirus infections on Wednesday. The 41 new cases was more than double the previous high. Governor Yuriko Koike held an emergency news conference and called on residents to refrain from non-essential outings this weekend. It's a voluntary measure for now, but with cities around the world on enforced lockdowns, people in Tokyo are wondering if their city will be next. Authorities in Tokyo have confirmed over 200 cases to date, and 41 of them came in a single day. Dr. Norio Omagari, the director of Disease Control and Prevention Center, says it isn't just a spike in new number that's worrying. It's also that authorities can't trace the route of infection for at least 10 of the new cases. If the routes become unclear, there's a greater risk of a hidden growth of infections, and experts warn that it could lead to an explosive surge in the number of cases. I think it is fair to suggest that a lockdown is not far-fetched, especially at this point and in a city like Tokyo where people are just packed within each other. The fact that new infections aren't being able to get clearly traced, it raises an alarm that maybe Japan isn't, they don't have a firm grasp on the controlling of the virus. The governor here is acknowledging that. If you live in Tokyo or the surrounding areas, I would highly suggest you to start prepping. But don't panic buy, just buy the essentials that you need. I think instant noodles are a great idea. They're really cost effective. Get your tea and water, hygienic products, all that kind of stuff. People seem to be complacent about the situation, and then that complacency leads to people to act in such an idiotic manner, like we've seen in the States, where people are just panic buying cartfuls of toilet paper for some reason. You do not want to be in the midst of a crowded grocery store full of panicked, irrational people. And then fight someone over like the last cup of noodles or something. So if you were savvy, you would have done your shopping by now. But, right now it's not too late. So if you take anything out of my videos, my suggestion is that you do this like now, like ASAP. Koike said that Tokyo is now at a critical juncture and appealed to residents to grasp the gravity of the situation and work from home as much as possible. She also called on people to refrain from going out in the evening and this weekend. There seems to be a large group of people in Japan that aren't really taking this as serious as they need to. This was a comment left on my last video that puts it well together. I think that most people here are absolutely clueless about the situation. They are not being exposed enough to the horrors that are happening in some of the other countries. I doubt their ability to really understand and relate to it because unless they witness some of the more shocking footage. It's kind of an ignorant bubble. Thank you, Yuri, for that insight. I'm afraid that I agree with her, though. This is why you will see panic buying happen soon in a place like Tokyo, because they are considering a lockdown at this point, and so take what you will from that. The governor has already said that the capital may have to take extreme measures. On Monday, she suggested a lockdown was possible if the virus spreads further. Dr. Kazuhiro Tateda, an expert in infectious diseases, says that there could be a surge in cases in the next couple of weeks, and the situation in Tokyo may become similar to that of Italy and France. He said Japan's capital is an extremely dangerous situation. Of course it is, and I would hate to see something like what's going on in Italy or France, Spain, the US happen to a country like Japan. It is not equipped for that. Japan drafts basic policy to fight virus outbreak. So here they say the policy says prefectural governors could ask residents to refrain from going out for about 3 weeks if the prime minister declares a state of emergency to deal with the outbreak. This should, again, if you live in Japan, compel you to do some shopping. If you need some ideas, I have a video. I'll put the link in the description, and I've shown how I've prepped on a budget. It's possible. The take of this video is to tell you guys not to panic, but be proactive. I'm not going to condone panic buying whatsoever. I think it's selfish. It's detrimental to everyone, especially those in need. This is what I suggest. Over the course of the next few days, I would analyze the situation in your respective location and go out and buy what you need little by little. My tip is to stockpile little by little so that you're not contributing to the adversity of panic buying. Just take what you need and help others out. I never went panic shopping, and the things that I've stockpiled is just a result of buying a little extra little by little over the course of a few days. This video is short today, but I felt that it was needed to address the potential lockdown that might be right around the corner. I think this is the most important development in the changing situation here. As always, like, subscribe, and share this video, and engage in the conversation below, and let me know your thoughts. And I will see you guys again soon.